National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, showers were located along a line extending from near Racine to near Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, public. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wind Point and Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Adjacent open waters of Lake Michigan to mid-lake. Move to safe harbor as gusty winds and locally high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, showers were located along a line extending from Winthrop Harbor to 9 nautical miles northwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, public. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.